I've been talking about it for a long time and it's finally here. I've been working on a TikTok shop full guide for people who are outside of the United States and inside the United States to take advantage of both Shopify and TikTok shop especially if you're in the Amazon space. Right now I have open one of the brands that I've worked with in editing and UGC ancestral supplements, and I also have another brand that I've worked with before. It's called Rise Superfoods, and they have about 20,000 followers, and they post a lot of organic content. And it's all due to the fact that they've migrated to TikTok Shop and to social media. If you're an Amazon seller right now and you don't have UGC, or you have UGC and you don't know where to put it, I'm going to break down how you can one, generate more revenue outside on a different platform called TikTok Shop using the US TikTok Seller Central, and then also allowing you to use your global to build out and gain more sales on TikTok. And so I have a system that I've put together that will share everything from how to register on TikTok, uh, if you have all the necessary information, how to sign up, and our 3x ROAS and 3 ad set ad rule, which will allow you to stabilize campaigns and maximize profit. All of this I'm doing at a reasonable price, under $100. So pretty much like a full tank of gas nowadays in the US. Scale the ads that you're currently running after the 3x ROAS is met, your UGC list, which our team has put together a UGC list of creators that we've vetted and we've worked with that you guys can use to scale up your TikTok shop, and then how to scale these ads, and then what to do down the road. I've also added a TikTok registry launch guide, which will allow you to implement the templates, which are over 50 video templates and 50 sound templates that you can use for trending sounds that will allow you to gain more traffic and more sales for your brand. And if you want to know actually how to set everything else up, we were actually including a free one-to-one setup call with the $97 launch guide that we're bringing out. And this will allow you to actually get started, whether you're a shopper on Amazon or seller on Amazon, or you're doing TikTok shop right now and you don't know where to get going and you don't have enough fuel, or you don't have enough VAs or a team to help you expand this. We're going to help you with video templates, 50 trends that are currently running and active in the TikTok space that give you more engagement. We're going to give you our ads checklist, our video ads rule and tutorial guide, our campaign design plan, and then a scale up strategy to allow you to conquer more market share and to produce more videos. One way of doing that is through our UGC list, which is 50 creators that we've vetted personally, our gifting and asset brief. So it'll allow you to close deals with these UGC creators and actually get a pipeline of videos, because that's a huge thing on TikTok. It's basically the Amazon. Um, it's basically Amazon with video. And then we're going to allow you to link up with some of our shop creators and then our shop sellers, which is a 24/7 group that we have that we run from around the world. And then we'll do one-on-one setup call and then a check-in monthly to make sure that you guys are optimized and ready to get going. In this guide, I will be providing with you everything you need, from how to register, how to set up your initial products, how to register those products, how to get them up and running on your ads library, and how to get them segmented so that you guys can increase more sales and so that you can focus on the right niche when targeting your campaigns. And so you'll see down the road um, how that can be more complicated. And we just want to give you a kickoff guide that's really packed with all the things that any seller should know about and should use to scale their brand and make a safe transition to the TikTok shop space. Um, I'm For people who don't know me, I'm Sagan. I've been a marketer in the space for over 10 years in the social media space, specifically with e-commerce. And I've been the marketing manager for agencies like My Amazon Guy, Advaria Growth Optimizers. I've consulted with other brands like Amazing Creative Co., or Creative.io, and Amazing Marketing Co. And now I have a list and team of people who are doing social media marketing, and we have an agency in which we help people go from Shopify to TikTok Shop and from Amazon to the Shopify and social media space. Right now, the focus is TikTok, as video content is the most captivating and most converting content if you know how to make it. And so our brands are like Rise. We also have our own standalone brands that we operate under our own company, and we have success of a few shops, and some of the stuff that we've done is literally in the backyard with some UGC creators and a ChatGPT script, but has a video, sound, and editing like none other that converts really well. And so I'll let my guide speak for itself, and I'll wait to get a call with you guys soon. Just click above or below to opt in and get your full guide, which will come with all the templates, the one-on-one call, and the setup that you'll need to go from a regular e-commerce seller to a TikTok shop veteran. All right, guys. Thank you.